Hey guys, it's me Rakia and welcome to another video of plant potting therapy. Okay, today I'm actually going to be using a trellis, a very large trellis. I've used trellises a little bit, some smaller ones, but this one I actually got. It's pretty big and I'm gonna use it for my Swiss cheese plant because it's really big and I really want to see how aggressive, if that's the right word, is gonna vine. I really wanted to vine really well, so I need a good trellis. I got one at Lobby and I'm really going to, really see how it works. So yeah, I have my pots I need to clean out. I have the trellis and I got my plants. I am going to be combining some other Swiss cheese plants that I've grown on the side. So it'll be 2 smaller Swiss cheese plants and then the 1 big one. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy it with me and enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the star of this video is the Monstera adansonaii or adansonaii, depending on the pronunciation, but it's commonly known as a Swiss cheese vine because it resembles Swiss cheese because of the holes. But this plant is so easy to grow. It grows like not super fast, but not super slow. Needs a good amount of sunlight and yeah, just water, every 10 days, every week, depending. But here are just some of the equipment, the products, the things I needed, the pots, the plants, and of course this trellis from Hobby Lobby. This pot that I had, it used to have a palm. I think it was a philodendron, and it ended up getting mites. I was so sad. If you have watched some of my older videos, probably Vlogmas, you might have seen this plant in my bathroom, but it had mites. I had to let it go, and that's the pot that I'll be using, as you guys saw. And I need to clean it out. So basically, I just got, I'm gonna use some water. I'm gonna just use like a couple of these wipes to they're multi-surface wipes, so I'm just gonna kind of quickly, lightly just clean out my pot because I don't want any mites to spread on this plant. So that's the first thing, and then once we do that, we'll get our hands actually like dirty with the dirt and start working around. So this Ray Dunn garden pack set was actually a birthday gift from last year from Maya Ann and Janet, and I just want to say thank you to them so much for gifting this gift to me. It's so sweet. So this was a moment I realized that, yeah, that's mold. That is mold, you guys. Sometimes I do get mold in my plants, and I think it's just because there's lack of drainage. Sometimes it could be due to like there's not enough light, because mold grows when there's like not a lot of light and like a lot of moisture. But it didn't really affect the plant, but it's just something to keep in mind. So I just try to like get rid of, I didn't reuse the soil from this particular plant because I didn't want the mold to spread. But yeah, just a heads up. Also, another heads up is I'm about to show you guys this product. This is a sticky trap that I use for my gnats for my plants, and I absolutely love this. This one is a full one. Like, as you can see, the gnats is sticking on that. I've probably had this sticky trap for about 2 years, so you don't have to replace them as often, but they really help with getting rid of gnats. I actually made a video, and I'll link the product in the description box below if you're interested. You guys, this turned out so good. I am so proud of myself. Okay, started from the bottom. Now we are here. Okay, like I am so happy. I love this Swiss cheese plant. It's just so beautiful. If you can get one, get you one. But yeah, I hope this video was entertaining. I hope it was helpful, inspiring, and yeah. And that's all the girls on YouTube be saying. Make sure you share, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.